Hello everybody, it's Noah Braunstein coming back to you live with another video. I hope you're having a great day, and today I'm going to be reviewing for you one of my favorite places, and this place is called Gin Mon. And I've gone to Gin Mon ever since I can remember, as young as I can remember, and their food is amazing, because that's why they're this week's Dine Belmont program's feature of the week. And Gin Mon is here in Belmont, California, in the middle of the Cromont Village Shopping Center, and people love it here. They either dine in or they take out their food orders. And today we're going to get a really special opportunity to talk with the owners of Gin Mon, Grace and Stephen Wu, and we're going to get to see how they make one of their house specialties that they like themselves, called their Pork Potstickers. And we're going to get to see how they make their Potstickers along with some fiery cooking magic. I can't wait. Oh yeah, let's go.
Yes, first of all, we are rolling the dough. Second, we fill the pre-made pork. The third, we are searing the open part.
So amazing, delicious food comes out of this kitchen here at Gin Mon. I've been told from the owner, Grace, that there are 3 main chefs, and some of these chefs have been here since the opening date, 1994, back with the original owners at Gin Mon. Stepping inside Gin Mon's kitchen features a dazzling array of colors, smells, and sights of 4 chefs behind the scenes creating Gin Mon's goodness. You can see some of the fresh green beans and some of the fresh ingredients inside the kitchen. And this is the preparation for one of their dishes, the broccoli beef, and this was really cool to get to see the cooking process for their noodles.
10 to 20 pounds per day.
Some totally awesome fire and flame action here in the back of the restaurant at Gin Mon, and I watched a flaming wok prepare 2 house specials that I'm going to review, the lettuce cup prawns and the General's chicken. It was such a cool experience to get to see food made here in the restaurant. Now these are some of their well-known lunch specials that you can order, some of their soup, and this is the result of the Potstickers from earlier. They were made in detail, and these are coming out super crispy and golden brown, plated up. Let's go. So right now I'm going to start by describing some of their General's chicken. Looks great. Let's go. It's sweet, a bit spicy, but more sweet. And you taste some of the chili pods on the outside. The vegetables are nice and coated in sauce, but yet still with a crunch. Very nice start from their specialty menu here at Gin Mon. The second main dish that we ordered is called Rolling Lettuce Prawns. And now I've had their Rolling Lettuce Chicken, which also might be a common dish at other Chinese restaurants, but this is their variation, the Rolling Lettuce Prawns. And it's a step-by-step process. Our filling here, which is our Rolling Lettuce Prawns, which has some green onions, some water chestnuts, and some shrimp. So the first step is you're going to take some of your filling and put it in your lettuce wrap, and then to seal the deal, finish it off, you've got some of your hoisin sauce, which is also known as plum sauce. You're going to just drizzle a little bit over the top, and that is an optional step if you choose. Now let's bite. Oh yeah. The outside lettuce, cool and crisp, and then that sets up the nice texture. For the inside, you have your really nice, well-cooked shrimp with the crispy strands of noodles and some of the water chestnuts, and then you have sort of that spicy onion tang from the green onions. So overall, a phenomenal dish. And let's move on to some Potsticker action. Now we got the final product. You see, it's steamed, but yet they still achieve the crispiness on that outer edge. And that's what's really key in Potstickers, having it chewy and sort of soft on the outside and then crispy on the other. So really nice. And I dip onto the Potsticker sauce. So that Potsticker wrapper on the outside, crispy but yet sort of chewy and firm, and You have your filling on the inside, your pork, and you taste the green onions. It really shows through here, from the process of making it this morning all the way till now, served to you at Gin Mon restaurant. Start to finish, we saw the Potstickers early in the morning, and we got to see what they put in the Potstickers and how Grace's husband shops for fresh ingredients. And we also got to see the two other dishes cooked. We saw the General's chicken and we saw the Rolling Lettuce Prawns. Thank you very much for the tour. Is there anything else you would want people to know?
Happy face that make our day. Thank you.
So you heard it from Grace Wu, the owner here at Gin Mon. And if you haven't come to try the food here at Gin Mon, I highly suggest you do. Thank you very much. That brings us to the end of this video. And just to wrap up my thoughts and summarize what I experienced today here at Gin Mon restaurant, here in Belmont, California, at the Carmont Village Shopping Center. This place, Gin Mon, is amazing. And I say amazing because that defines everything that they do here. And I highly suggest that you come down here and try their food out, because if you haven't, you certainly should do so. Thank you very much for watching. This is Noah Braunstein with Food Reviews and Travel. See you on the next video.